Hey guys, welcome to question FM147 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, the first time James tried holding his breath, he could only hold it for 34 seconds. He would practice breathing exercises and then attempt to hold his breath again, increasing his attempts by 17 seconds each time. On his sixth attempt, for how long does James hold his breath? Now, there's a couple of ways that we could answer this question. We could use a recurrence relation, or we can use an nth rule. Seeing as we'll be jumping from the first attempt to the sixth attempt, I'm going to go with an nth rule, just because it saves us from doing those 6 calculations, or those 5 calculations to get to the sixth attempt. So we can just do one calculation instead. Now, you guys should know by now that your base rule for, before we go into that, this is going to be an arithmetic sequence because he's increasing by 17 seconds each time. So that's not a rate, that's a difference, an amount. So we'll be using an arithmetic nth rule. So our base rule for this is Vn equals V0 plus Nd. Now, we don't actually have a V0 because we have his first attempt. We don't have sort of like a starting amount. So we have a V1, which means our formula is going to be altered slightly. It's going to be Vn equals V1 plus N minus 1D. So this is going to stop us from adding in that extra difference where we don't need it, because we're only going to need to apply the difference 5 times instead of 6 times, because we already have his first attempt value. So plugging in our unknowns, we've got V6 equals, his first attempt was 34 plus 6 minus 1 times 17. So we're going to be adding 5 lots of 17 to our initial value, which is going to land us at 119 seconds, meaning that our answer is option C. If you guys have any questions on how we calculated that, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.